In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cover photos private on Facebook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your cover photos, what Facebook does and doesn't let you hide, and how to set older cover images so only you can see them. Start by opening Facebook and heading straight to your profile. This is where all your personal photos and albums live, including the collection that holds every cover photo you've ever used. From your profile, go to Photos, then open the Albums tab. Look for the album labeled Cover Photos and tap or click to open it. Here's an important point before we change anything. Facebook treats your current cover photo differently from the rest. Your active cover photo is always public by design because it's part of your profile's identity. You may notice a globe icon or a public label when viewing it. That's normal, and there isn't a privacy setting to hide your current cover photo from others. Don't worry, this only applies to the one that's currently on display at the top of your profile. Now let's make previous cover photos private. Inside the cover photos album, select an older cover image, the ones that are no longer set as your current cover. Open the photo so it's in full view. Look for the three dots menu. On desktop, it's typically in the top corner of the photo, and on mobile, it may appear beneath or beside the image. Choose Edit Audience from that menu. This is the control that determines who can see that particular photo on Facebook. When the audience selector appears, change it to Only Me. This setting hides the photo from everyone else while keeping it in your account. Confirm or save your choice, and you're done with that image. If you have several older cover photos, repeat the same steps. Open the photo, three dots, edit audience, then only me for each one you want to keep private. A couple of quick tips as you go. If you don't see the edit audience option, double check that you're viewing an older cover photo and not the current one. Also, after you switch to only me, you'll usually see the privacy indicator update on that photo, which is a handy way to verify the change. Finally, remember that these changes apply per photo, so take a moment to review any past cover images you'd rather keep to yourself. That's it. You now know how to find your cover photos, understand the limits on the current one, and lock down older cover images with the Only Me setting.